Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Autodesk Construction Cloud account. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in construction.autodesk.com and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. Let's scroll up. To log into your Autodesk Construction Cloud account, click on this login button over here and then click on Autodesk Construction Cloud. After that, write in your email over here. If you don't have an account yet, click on this create an account button over here and follow the instructions. After filling all of your details, click on this continue button over here. After that, write in your password and then click on this login button, and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.